Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video and thanks for showing your interest for this WhatsApp robotics class. I am Devojit and I'll be your guide for this 12 days WhatsApp class. I am BTech in Electronics and Communication and a passionate robotic engineer. I am very excited to see you guys build 10 different robots in just 12 classes. So let's see what you are going to learn in this class. Now the question is why to enroll in this workshop. In this workshop or in just 12 sessions you will be learning about electronics, about robot construction of 12 different robots, software interface between the robot's hardware and software part, and the coding or programming of the robot. Now how will the workshop gonna benefit you? So there are many benefits of this workshop. I am going to read out only few points. You will be learning about new technologies and advanced electronics through this workshop. This will also help you to build a strong foundation for your future. You will encounter the leader inside you through this workshop. This will also help you to develop the skills which are required to build a better career. You will learn to code in a very simple manner. You will also learn programming, mechanical engineering, electronics and physics in just a single workshop or single platform. And at last, you may also identify the passion of electronics and engineering inside you through this workshop. So, the very important part is this workshop is not theory based. This workshop is completely practical based and you are going to try your hands and building 10 different robots on your own, and I am only going to guide you through the entire workshop. Now, the details of the workshop. In session 1, we are going to learn about what is robotics, types of robots, mobile robots, leg motion scenario and drive configuration. From session 2, we will be starting the practicals and you will be doing the practicals with your own hands. We'll start with basic electronics, introduction to Arduino and your first experiment. In the third session, you will be constructing your first robot. Then learn programming, include library to Arduino IDE software and hardware implementation of your first robot. In session 4, you will be constructing your second robot, and that is a PC control robot. Then programming of the robot and at last the hardware implementation of the robot. In the fifth session, you will be constructing your third robot, which is an obstacle avoider robot, then the programming of that robot, and at last the robot construction and hardware implementation. Session 6, you will be constructing a fourth robot, that will be a light avoider robot, programming for that, and the last is robot construction and hardware implementation. Session 7, you will be constructing your fifth robot, that will be a light follower robot, programming of that robot, and at last the construction and hardware implementation. Session 8, you will be constructing your sixth robot, that will be a line follower robot, the programming and at last the robot construction and hardware implementation. Session 9, you will be constructing your seventh robot, that will be a pit detector robot. You will be doing the programming and the hardware implementation and construction. Session 10, you will be constructing your eighth robot, that will be a firefighting robot, programming and the hardware implementation at last. In the 11th session, you will be constructing your ninth robot, that will be a two-wheel balancing robot, then the programming for that, and at last the robot construction and hardware implementation. Session 12, you will be constructing your 10th robot, that will be your Robo Challenge. What are the supporting materials you will receive from our side? You will receive a library with all the codes, then program for all the 10 different robots, software download guide, and also the installation guide of the software. And at last, you will also get the access to our private Facebook page. Now the question is, will your learning stop after the 12 days of WhatsApp class? The answer is no. You will get materials and references for your further studies in robotics. You will also get to interact with other students and trainers through our private Facebook page. As you know, you are going to learn so many things from this course and also get lifetime access to this course online. So don't miss the opportunity. Sign up for the WhatsApp class immediately. The investment you are going to make is very small. You spend more on movie tickets nowadays. So come on guys, hurry up. Click on the register button now. See you guys in the WhatsApp class. Bye. Take care.